guys, so I figured to share with you that did you know that you can actually reuse your foil balloon? You just have to deflate them. How? Watch this. Grab a straw and you just have to put it in here to the valve. Put it all the way down there. Push it. Push it. And as you can see, it is now deflating. And you just have to press. Press, 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 press. Make it easier. Just like that. And here it is, guys. I deflated it. See? Then you can just fold it. Or sometimes you can put a book in it and just boom, boom. Fold it, deflate it, and just remove the straw. And that's it.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
Here's a little hack that I just found out because I was trying to figure out how to deflate these because my niece is turning 10 soon and she can reuse these. Why not? I paid like $5 for these two. They're a little too expensive. So here's how you do it. You get a straw, you stick it in, and I found out that you gotta stick it in like almost halfway or at least the tip of the straw hanging out like this. Now you gotta work with it, try to get as much air out. So you gotta fold it, push it down, fold it, push it down. And here it is, voila. All you need is a straw. You're welcome.
So you're just gonna stick this into the opening of the balloon. And you're gently put it in. And you're gonna you may need to go kind of deep into the balloon. And as soon as you hear it, start to let the air out. I don't know if you guys can hear that. As you can see, it deflates pretty quickly. I just kind of roll them up to start getting all the air out so they go flat. So as you can see, now you can resave some of your foil balloons.